When you think of power and the animal kingdom, your mind probably jumps to the obvious things, right? Claws, teeth, pure muscle and size. But what if I told you the deadliest weapon out there isn't about brute force at all? What if it's something way more sophisticated?
So let me ask you, what do you think is the single most powerful weapon in the wild? A crocodile's bite? The charge of a rhino? Nope. The answer is something far more elegant. A weapon that operates on a molecular level. A tool of incredible precision that's been honed by millions of years of evolution.
To really understand this weapon, we need to look past all the myths and dive right into the science. We're talking about the chemistry of a bite, or, a sting.
So what is venom exactly? Well, the single most important feature is that it's injected. It's a complex, toxic cocktail that gets delivered directly into another creature's system through tools like fangs, stingers, or even spines. And this brings us to a huge point that a lot of people get wrong: the difference between venomous and poisonous. It's actually really simple. Venom is injected. Poison is ingested or absorbed. So a poison dart frog is poisonous if you eat it, but a rattlesnake is venomous because it bites you.
And venom isn't just some simple chemical. It's this incredibly sophisticated mix of proteins and enzymes, and each one has a very specific job. You can think of it like a biological formula, perfectly engineered to go in and just wreck the vital systems of its target.
So why did this amazing chemical weapon even evolve in the first place? Well, it really comes down to two basic needs for survival: offense and defense. For a predator, venom is the ultimate efficiency tool. It lets them take down prey super fast so they don't have to get into a long, dangerous struggle. This saves a ton of precious energy and, get this, it even lets smaller predators hunt animals much, much larger than themselves. The variety of venomous hunters out there is just incredible. You've got snakes with fangs that work just like hypodermic needles. Spiders use theirs to paralyze insects. And then you have the cone snail, which literally shoots a harpoon-like tooth to instantly disable a fish. I mean, each method is just a masterpiece of evolution.
But venom isn't only for hunting. It's also the ultimate defensive shield. It's this powerful deterrent that sends a very clear message to predators: stay away, I am not worth the trouble.
And this defensive strategy is everywhere. A scorpion's sting is a pretty potent warning, right? Bees and wasps use their venom as a team to defend the entire colony. It's basically mutual protection, all powered by chemistry.
Now, this level of chemical genius didn't just appear overnight. It was forged in a massive evolutionary arms race, a true masterpiece of biological engineering, refined over millions and millions of years. We can actually trace this evolution back from early ancestors who had pretty simple toxins to the insane diversification we see today. And the result is these incredibly specialized formulas, each one tailored for a very specific purpose.
And the precision is just astounding. Some venoms are neurotoxic, designed to shut down the nervous system completely. Others are hemotoxic, which means they target the blood and stop it from clotting. Some go right for the muscles. Each venom is like a unique key designed for a very, very specific biological lock.
So when we look at a venomous creature, our first thought might be chaos and danger. But the reality is so much more elegant. As the saying goes, it is not chaos, it is chemistry. It's really easy to see these animals as just a threat. But that brings us to the most surprising part of this whole story: the incredible hidden value of venom. In their natural habitats, venomous animals aren't the villains. They're vital regulators. Snakes are one of nature's best forms of pest control. Spiders keep insect populations from exploding. They are a cornerstone of a healthy, balanced ecosystem. And yet, despite how important they are, they're almost universally feared. But it's so important to remember that most of these animals have zero interest in us. They use their venom for survival, and they would much rather avoid a confrontation than ever start one. And here's the amazing part. Scientists are now studying these complex chemical cocktails, and the discoveries are nothing short of revolutionary. Proteins from snake venom have led to life-saving heart medications. Other components are being used to develop powerful, non-addictive painkillers. This just reframes everything, doesn't it? It shows us that in nature, things are rarely just one thing. What appears to be one of the wild's most dangerous weapons also holds the key to some of its most valuable secrets.
It really makes you wonder, If we can find life-saving medicine in the fangs of a snake, what other incredible secrets are hidden out there in plain sight, just waiting for us to look a little closer?